Halter ED258 Elevating Desktop is a contemporary rising desk made to comfortably transform your sitting desk into a standing workstation. This desktop features two large flat surfaces and has space for your monitor, laptop, keyboard, mouse, and many other work items you may need. The Halter ED358 has been tailor-made to fit into any work area. Converting is done by easily pulling on the comfortable handles according to your desired height. Our uniquely designed mechanism allows you to effortlessly raise it to your comfort height. This makes your new desk extremely easy to raise and lower in seconds. It ascends straight up without intruding into your personal area. Pull lightly on the handle and push gently down to lower it according to your height, or lower it all the way down for a pleasant, beautiful sitting desk workstation. The Halter elevated desk raises to over 16 inches high. This easy-to-use sit-stand desk comes fully pre-assembled and is set up and ready to use right out of the box. So personalize.
More people are working from home than ever before. Cubicle walls are coming down. What people want is more functionality, more mobility, and more connectivity from their desks, at home and at work. Available in a wide variety of colored tops and base combinations, the AIRLIFT S2 and S3 series follow in Seville Classic's tradition of user-focused home and office products. Beveled bottom edges give the top a slim and elegant profile, and ultra-durable 3D laminate keeps the desk looking good when you're working hard. Powerful dual motors provide smooth movement when adjusting the top, even while loaded. The all-steel base provides strength without sacrificing stability or durability. Lifting or lowering the desk is as easy as pressing a button. Store up to 4 heights on the digital memory controller for reliable readjustment throughout the day. Sit-to-stand desks have been shown to reduce sedentary behavior in the workplace when they're available. Desks can be adjusted to any level between their minimum and maximum height for optimal comfort. For the most ergonomic benefit, we suggest lifting the table to elbow height. Work in comfort with a desk that curves around you for a more user-focused workplace, making it easier to reach all corners of the desk. More usable space means more utility when using wide screens or working with large objects. We believe the benefits of living an active life isn't just a fad. AIRLIFT desks can keep you moving wherever you choose to be.
Finally, a corner office where you can make all the rules. Our L-shaped corner desk is sleek and compact. It offers the flexibility and functionality you need to stay on task in your very own space. Crafted from steel and tempered safety glass, the 3-piece desk comes equipped with a universal autonomous CPU stand and a sliding keyboard tray, mountable on either side for your rearranging pleasure. Simple, sturdy, and clean. On and off the clock.